Hello everyone, so welcome to Otto's Kitchen. Today we're going to do a really simple dish. So I got two really nice sea basses here that were already eviscerated, so no stomach inside. Very clean, removed all the scales. So the only thing you need to do is wash them. So, this nice Seabass that goes directly in here like that. Nothing too complicated. Get another one. Wash the second one. And there you go. Two large, nice fishies, fresh from the sea. We're in Montenegro, so these are extremely fresh. So the next thing we do is start cutting the parsley. So we're gonna put some parsley on top of them. Get a knife. I know this is a very simple, straightforward recipe, but you might be surprised. Maybe there are things that you don't know about this. These are all fresh ingredients. I don't use powder things, anything that you think is not fresh enough. It really changes the taste of whatever you have. Even if the products are really fresh, like the fish is fresh but the herbs are not, don't do that. Okay, adding them in. Then when that is done, you have to cut two little cuts on the fish. 1, 2, just like you're cutting a steak. 1, 2 cuts. Okay, see, down here. This one's like that. In these cuts, we're gonna put a bit of ginger. So I'm gonna cut a small slice of ginger. Simple. Little slices. Don't need much of it. I mean, 4 tiny slices, tiny pieces, like that. Good. And then you place them inside the cuts that you just made in the fish. Okay. Alright, so next thing, garlic. Only 2 pieces of garlic. This was an overpowering taste, so it will just cover everything else that you have in the fish if you put too much. So what you do is you don't peel them, you don't cut them, you crush them. So you put them under the blade and you just put your hand on top of it and crush. This will allow you to literally peel the skin off the garlic, and it will be squeezed. Then you cut it just in half, and here, just pass it on top of the fish a little bit, and then place it inside the cuts together with the ginger. Result should be something like that. Place it inside the cuts. After that is done, get some fresh rosemary. See? Fresh rosemary. Wash it. Always wash everything, you never know. Even if you think that it was in a plastic container, sealed, you never know. You might as well just wash it and be safe. Then, I have some lemon juice here. I'm going to put some of this on because it strengthens the taste of the lemon. But always have 1 real lemon in there. This one gives a stronger taste regardless of what you think the other one does. So cut it in half and squeeze it abundantly over the fish. Put the leftover lemon on the side of the fish. It really changes the taste a lot. It makes it really nice. Okay, so now this is a particular herb that I found here in Montenegro. It's basically a mix between parsley, basil, and sea salt. and really gives a kick to the fish taste. And a little bit of breadcrumbs I think I'll mix with it. But it's a very simple spice. So put that. If you don't have enough, just add a little bit of salt. Salt. Yeah, like really little bit. Don't cover it with salt, not nice. And then, lastly, oil. Put a bit of it, not a lot. I mean, you just need literally a spoon. You can even measure it with a spoon. So, put a spoon like that. There you go. That's 1 spoon of oil, and pour it over the fish. Okay. And that is it. Once you have a result like this, very nice and fresh fish, just place it in the oven. The oven was already at 120, so under 200 actually, 200 degrees. Just put it inside, and for 25 minutes, leave it in there. You get a really nice juicy fish.